Lede New Orleans is a place for you to grow.
Because the work that we do here, it matters, it's meaningful.
We equip creative professionals from underrepresented communities age 18 to 25 with skills, tools, and resources to transform local media. Specifically, we focus on elevating BIPOC and LGBTQ+ creators and their voices.
You know, it's people from the community reporting on things in the community.
Throughout the experience, they come into our newsroom, they learn the basics and the fundamentals of multimedia community journalism, everything from interviewing to video and how do you capture quality video and audio. And then we go out into the community and we report on issues that are relevant to the day-to-day lives. For this fellowship, the Fall 2022 fellowship, the focus was mental health care access. What does mental health care mean to people, specifically in Black and Brown communities? And what does access to care look like?
Be able to tell stories about people who matter, people in my community, people who look like me, has just really been a beautiful thing.
And things that I haven't done before, as far as like editing audio, doing audio storytelling, more work with the camera, and then I've also met an amazing team of people. So
something that I think I really struggled with was being able to use my own voice in my writing. Through school, you're really taught that if you're a good writer, you write in a very specific way. And so for me to be able to exercise my creativity alongside learning new skills like photography and videography really just helped me identify who my voice is as a writer through myself.
Asking good questions. I didn't know if they were good. I didn't know if they were thoughtful or like meaningful. But I think that the more that we worked on it and the more people that we, like interviewed and worked with, that it got better.
We went to Milo Gardens, and while we were there, I spoke to the two folks who own it, and they were having a plant sale. And one of the women is also Puerto Rican, and this was right after the hurricane just hit Puerto Rico. And so to be able to talk with her about our identities and being far away from a place that we both call home was just very meaningful, because it really felt like I was in the community, speaking with the community and providing a voice for folks who maybe are just sitting with these thoughts with themselves and not having other people to talk to.
Barber conversation with David and Keith, just because women in the Black community, like, we have that same type of relationship with like our hairstylists, our beauticians and things like that. So to see the other side of that with men and how they deal with mental health and how like barbers play a huge role in that in like, our community, it was dope to see and like capture on camera, because it's a conversation that, is there and needs to be had. So.
And it was really cool to see the fellows going out, talking to traditional therapists, but also community practitioners who are providing care for the community.
It is a place that you are going to be pushed, but you're going to be pushed alongside so many amazing people. Everybody's coming in with so many different skills, and so to be able to just sit in a room of brilliance and learn from other people, but also teach other people, is a really beautiful thing. And so it's a kind of community that you don't really get anywhere else.
This is the essence of what we mean when we say equitable media at Lede New Orleans.